Cars, buses, and trucks are all road vehicles, but they differ in size and purpose. A car is a small vehicle that carries a few people, mostly used for personal trips like commuting. Buses are larger and carry many people, often transporting pupils to school or passengers around towns. Trucks are very big vehicles designed mainly for carrying heavy goods like food or building materials. All three share basic parts: wheels for movement, windows for visibility, doors for access, lights for safety, and the main body for carrying. Understanding these parts helps us know their importance and how to stay safe, like using doors carefully.